Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. I'm going to do a vintage inspired Twiggy look, and I just want to say I am in no way aligned with vintage beliefs. I'm really glad they're in the past, and it's unfortunate that some things have been overturned, and I can't really get my brain around it. So let's just do makeup. We're going to start off with the beauty blender that I use to put down concealer. Then I'm going to go in with the transitional color. Then I'm going to set everything with this blue eyeshadow. I'm going to do this all over the lid. That was not really a necessary step. Later on, I do clean it up. But then I'm going to go in with a more tapered brush, and I'm going to go in with the color black. And I'm just going to do a look like kind of like a crease, but not exactly, above where my natural line is. I kind of was getting stumped on this one, so I just went to go do my eyeliner, where I just took a liquid eyeliner. It's a felt pen, and I just did it underneath my eye. And then I was like, you know what, I need to sharpen up that upper part of the lid with that same eyeliner. So that's what I did here. Then I just kind of slowly reinforce it. I kind of have to step away from it every once in a while, look at it, and just think like, what do I need to do to fix this? And that's what I do a lot with makeup. Makeup is subjective. So it is important to, take a look at it and see how do you think it's coming out. I then go in and I continue to do this line. It's very messy, but we do clean it up later. And I just kind of drag the line out a little bit more on the end, because that's kind of more of a Twiggy look. I kept putting my head up like this to kind of see how it would look with that pose, because that's very Twiggy in my opinion. Then I went back in with that, more precise brush, and I went in with that black, and I just blended out that eyeliner. So it didn't look like an eyeliner mark on the top of my eye. It looked more like an eyeshadow with depth. And then I just kind of worked on that for a little bit, and I was just kind of thrown off, and I was going to throw in the towel on this and be like, I'm done. And then I was like, you know what? I got to clean up. So I took a makeup remover, and I just went above where I just used that eyeliner, and I just blended it out, and I just cleaned up around it, trying to be as precise as possible with this step. And then just clean up the inside and everything like that. At this point, I was like, yeah, I think I'm getting there actually. So I just continued with that. You could see from one eye to the other that it looks way better without that eyeshadow really far up. Then I went back in with a blue shimmer color, and I just put it over what I had originally done. Then I went in with concealer because I knew I wanted to do fake freckles, so I decided to skip foundation and do concealer. I went back in with that Real Techniques sponge. I don't know if they call it a beauty blender, but the sponge, and I just blended that all out until it was completely on my entire face. Then I'm going to go in and draw some with an eyeliner, the felt tip eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to draw what looks like lashes coming down off the bottom, because I feel like that's very Twiggy. And again, I had to keep looking at it to see, like, am I doing this right? This was the first time I've ever done anything like this. If you guys have been here for a while, you know that I'm just recently stepping out of my comfort zone of traditional pretty makeup. And so that's where I'm at with this. I do then go over the entire thing with eyeliner, and I'm sorry, with mascara, and I don't hold back. I just go ham on this one, like chunky, thick mascara. I don't even play around. The remainder of the mascara on this wand is what I put on those upper lashes. I probably could have done some fake lashes on top, but I decided not to. Then I'm going to go and add color back into my cheeks. I instinctively wanted to do how I usually do, but then I was like, no, I have to keep this a very Twiggy look. So I do bronze up a lot of my skin, but I wanted to kind of place it more on my cheeks and less as a contour. Then I go in with my usual blush and my Kathleen Lights So Retrograde, and I did that. Then I went in with my brows. I didn't fill in my brows for this because I feel like a vintagey look doesn't really call for very bushy brows, especially in this time period. So that's what I did there. That was the e.l.f. Brow wand. And then I went in to do freckles. And how I did this was I took a different eyeliner, also from Amazon. This is in the color brown. And I just started putting dots all over my face. I'm pretty sure that this eyeliner was like $2. It was really, really cheap. I'll definitely have it linked in my affiliate link. And I just casually did it. And, they're freckles, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And I did want to get some on my nose, as you can see there. I was actually pretty happy with this. I've never done freckles like this, so it actually came out really cute. And then I went over it with the Real Techniques sponge just to get any excess up so that it didn't smudge, and just to kind of put everything in its place. I wanted to make sure everything was like set in its place. Then I'm going to go and style my hair. So for this look, Twiggy usually has hair that's like severely parted to the side, but it is a short pixie cut. My hair is way shorter than her hair is, so I wasn't really able to do that, but I did the best I could with what I had. I'm going to start my posing, and then I was like, let me get on some big earrings that remind me of like the 60s, 70s, because I feel like that's all I had at the time were these earrings. I don't really know if they did that good, but we're just going to pose a lot because I don't take pictures good. I look way better in video, and that's it. Thanks for watching.